As part of our commitment to Subaru Loves the Earth, Sierra Subaru of Monrovia was thrilled to sponsor the LA Arboretum Foundation, an organization where education is a cornerstone of what they do. A place that is so much more than just a collection of beautiful gardens, but one that is very rich in history and supports efforts including water conservation and soil regeneration, just to name a few. They also offer 2 free school-related programs, which are Nature Investigations and the Next Generation Science Standards Field Study Program, also known as NGSS. What better way for us to truly love the earth than to support a foundation that plants the seeds of knowledge with these free programs into the next generation of students, mostly from Title I schools in the surrounding communities, allowing these children and young adults access to a hands-on learning experience that will hopefully help inspire love, passion, and respect for our environment. To help raise money for the Los Angeles Arboretum Foundation, we gathered a team of 20 runners, which consisted of not only employees, but friends and family members, to run the Santa Anita Derby Day 5K event and pledge to match each registration amount. Part of the course runs through the beautiful Arboretum Botanical Gardens, which also allowed the team to experience firsthand the wonderful cause they were supporting. On the day of the event, we set up a booth where runners had the chance to spin the wheel for Subaru gear, tickets to the Arboretum Summer Nights, and a 1-year family membership to the LA Arboretum. This allowed us to not only spread our Subaru Love Promise commitment to over 4,000 participants, but to also give more exposure to the wonderful charity we were supporting. As passionate advocates for the environment, we were proud to showcase a 2023 Subaru Outback Wilderness with Subaru camping gear at our booth. This rugged and adventurous vehicle embodies our love for the outdoors and reinforces the importance of making the world a more sustainable place. We were also excited to provide the all-new 2023 Subaru Solterra as the official pace vehicle for the 5K run. This electric vehicle represents our commitment to reducing our carbon footprint and protecting the planet for future generations. Throughout the event, we were thrilled to see so many families enjoying the various activities, including the 5K race and the 6 furlong fun run for children ages 7 to 12. It was heartwarming to witness the community coming together for a common cause. As a Subaru retailer, we're not only committed to providing our customers with reliable and innovative vehicles, but to also giving back to our local communities and the environment. We were grateful for the opportunity to have been a part of such an amazing event, which allowed us to raise $1,000 for the Los Angeles Arboretum Foundation. Here at Sierra Subaru of Monrovia, we believe that supporting events like this not only promotes health and wellness, but also allows us to give back to our employees, our local community, and the environment in a rich and meaningful way.